Have you ever been on a job, came across a Ubuntu server, and wish you could install a GUI so you could figure out what's specifically going on that server? I'm going to show you how to do that. The first thing you want to do is run the actual updates on the system. And in order to do that, you're going to do sudo apt update and then hit enter. You'll be prompted for credentials. Put in your administrator or your sudoer account credentials to install the updates. Now I want to give fair warning that a reboot will be required. The official Ubuntu documentation indicates that a reboot is not required. However, I'm here to tell you that without the reboot, you will not be able to access the GUI. To install the GUI, you simply have to type in sudo apt install Tasksel dialog. And that'll allow you to install the kernel configuration tool to allow you to install a GUI on Ubuntu Server. Once typed in, hit enter. If prompted, make sure you hit Y to continue. Once it completes, you're going to want to launch the Tasksel or task selector by doing sudo Tasksel. And then once you have that entered, hit enter on the keyboard. Now, using the keyboard, you're going to have to navigate by doing the up and down arrow and choose the GUI you wish to install. Now, because this is a Ubuntu platform, I'm just going to install GNOME. And in order to do that, I'm going to choose GNOME and hit the Spacebar, which will add an asterisk next to GNOME. Using the arrow keys, go all the way to the bottom and then use Tab on the keyboard to choose OK, and then hit Enter to proceed to the installation. Don't be alarmed if this hangs during the installation process. That's totally normal. Once completed, the system will kick you back directly to the CLI. Enter in sudo reboot now and hit enter. Once the system boots back up, you'll notice that you now have an option for a GUI. Choose your user account. Enter in your password. Then hit enter on the keyboard. You now have a usable GUI on your Ubuntu Server operating system. Like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to ring that bell.